If your Optus SIM shows as activated but isn't working, the problem usually lies in one of three key areas: provisioning, APN settings, or network connectivity. Provisioning is the process where Optus registers your SIM on their network. If this process fails or is delayed, your SIM won't connect, even if activated in their system. Secondly, APN access point name settings act as a gateway for mobile data. Incorrect or missing APN settings will block data access. Common Optus APNs are Optus for prepaid and Internet for postpaid. Finally, general network issues such as weak signal strength, roaming conflicts, or network congestion can prevent a working connection. By understanding these components, you can begin troubleshooting the issue. Start by ensuring your SIM card is correctly inserted and restart your device. Next, manually check your APN settings under your device's mobile network settings. Ensure it matches the correct Optus APN. Optus often configures these automatically, but manual entry may be needed. If that fails, troubleshoot network connectivity by toggling airplane mode on and off, or manually selecting the Optus network in your phone's settings. Check the Optus website for coverage maps in your area. You can also use the Optus app, which now includes a self-service troubleshooting portal for real-time diagnostics of SIM issues. If problems persist, contact Optus customer support, noting that improved digital tools and AI-driven provisioning have reduced such issues, but manual intervention is sometimes still required.